I think you give it back to me.
Yes, like when you see that building by,
Yeah, so
Nigerian housing deficit challenge.
Well, it's a product of uh, deep thinking because we have noticed that over the time there have been a lot of undelivered projects, and if you look at one of the strengths of this technology is the rapid nature, the speedy nature of delivery. You understand the housing challenge in Nigeria has been a perennial thing, and that's the reason why we are bringing this technology because you can actually deliver a bungalow in 3 weeks. You can deliver one suspended building like a duplex. You can deliver in 6 weeks. So that is the catchy for us. You won't just get to the cities and see undelivered projects. Because if we move to your site, you are sure that we are taking X amount of weeks, and that X amount of weeks is the our delivery time.
Okay, so what environmental impact does this system have compared to the traditional construction?
The technologies is certified by International Standard Organization, so it is not as serious. It is doesn't have any earth hazard, as it were, because what you have, the component of the building is still the conventional component of the building, which is mortar, granite, sand, and cement. So it's not different. The only thing is that we are not using hollow blocks; we are using concrete all through.
So I would firstly say quality. Okay. I'll firstly say quality. The quality of a house built with our easy form panels are way more stronger than house built on conventional methods
How does this align with Nigeria housing deficit challenge?
because it's cheaper, it's faster, and more more sustainable. So I would say in Nigeria we have a problem with timing. So every project has a deadline for its time. But with easy form, when you have easy form by your side, I think you have solved about 80% of the problem. The problem now comes down to the number of panels we have on site or panels we have available to build. But once there's funds and
That sounds very
okay,
clear.
we start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Okay, my name is Sadiq Amakura. I'm the marketing. Okay, what?
So let's go.
Okay, my name is Sadiq Amakura. I'm the marketing business developer for Salisbury Limited, Nigeria.
Okay, what differentiates easy form from the conventional building?
What differentiates Easy from the conventional building? Firstly, I would like to say the quality of the structure. So when we build with our Easy Form panels, uh, we tend to build with concrete, basically. So after we filling, it becomes concrete, and I feel like it's stronger than blocks anywhere, anytime.
Okay, how does this address the uh, how does this align with Nigerian housing deficit challenge?
It's very easy. As you can practically see on the site, this is faster. We just have four panel setters on site and we're moving at this pace. So it's faster, it's cheaper, and is more sustainable friendly for the environment.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Very early, no fellow.
But if you see, I know say I don't see you so much. That's one.
bring it. Let me see. Look at it the other side.
Okay, one. Chairman, Alex.